challenging, but I love every bit of it, you know. So I hope I never have to work for nobody else again. My name is Courtney Tate. I live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The name of my company is called On-Time Quality Machining. So my vision for on-time quality machining is to be able to educate, but I think ultimately just to grow this field, grow this knowledge, man, to bring back work back home, you know, like all these vacant buildings, man, just put work in there. And these kids, the youth, you know, they need something to do, you know, so this here is a great trade to learn. It's not boring, it's fun. I went to Milwaukee Trade Technical High School. There, I picked up the trade tool and die. From there, I went to community college. MATC is where I learned CNC setup operations. From there, I went to MSOE and learned how to do CNC program code. I think what pushed me to this goal is that I look at this field as being art, right? So I think working at a lot of these companies, a lot of them were stuck in their way of doing things and not advancing to the more modernized methods. So me being a nerd in a way, I would kind of come up with these methods or tell them about a new tool or a new program or a new fixturing method that'll make things faster. But I know that if you make the process easier, things tend to flow better. So here we have something where we have process method sheets to where we have the process listed out for every single job that we actually do. And we take pictures as well. So the guys that's green, they can actually look at that picture and see the actual, how the job was set up before. So yeah, I hire the youth, I hire felons, I hire guys that's green. My mission is to get this knowledge out there as much as possible because it's an urgent need for it. There isn't enough black entrepreneurs that I know of most definitely doing this type of work. So for them to find something that they love and catch on, and they feel worthy at the end of the day, that they actually made this part. I got an SBA loan through a minority group called WIBIC, but they basically help minorities get a business loan. Yeah, I really like that process. It makes it easy. They're friendly. They help you throughout the whole process, all the way from business plan to getting a loan. So here, Haas, as you can see behind me, I have Haas's here. I have my Haas VF4. And I have my Haas VF4 SS that I just bought with the fifth axis package here. And that's why I love Haas, because they work with you. And when you're new, you know, to this field, like me, like I never ran air before or wiring, things like that. Haas kind of helps you with that as well too. I attended IMTS back in 2018. I was like a kid in a candy store. So the tool I purchased there, it was called the high feed mill, basically, to where they were feeding at about 15 inches a minute. I took it from there to 250 inches a minute, saving the company thousands of dollars just by going to IMTS to learn about this. Like I wouldn't have knew about this tool if I did not go. IMTS will be a big part of my growth. My name is Courtney Tate, and you will find me at IMTS.